Greetings everyone. I am here today to talk about the May and June 2018 Boxy Charms. So I've watched Kathleen Lights open these so many times. I finally decided to go ahead and subscribe, and I'm so glad that I did. I was going to do separate videos on these, but they came so close together. I signed up really late in May, so I got my May one just before the end of June, and yesterday my June one came. I did film an unboxing of the June one, but I decided I'd go ahead and try the products out and refilm it so I can actually talk about what I got in the boxes and how I felt about them. So we're going to start with the May box. The first thing that came in was the CoverFX Blurring Primer. I've been using this every day since I got it. I really like blurring primers, and I like this one because it's not too silicone-y. Ooh, ugh. It's kind of a nude color, and then when you rub it in, it's very similar to the Benefit Professional. And I don't know if you can tell, but it really smooths out all the lines. I have really bad pores. It does its best to minimize them, but nothing's gonna be perfect, but I really do like this. And this retails for $38, and I only paid $22 for the whole box, so I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, secondly, we got this PUR Sculptor. It actually smells like chocolate. It smells a lot like the Too Faced bronzers. I'm not sure why. I don't know if that's actually what they're going for, but it comes with 2 highlights and 2 bronzer slash contours. I mixed both highlights and I am wearing them today. I'm also wearing this one in Inventor. Both of these contour slash bronzers are a little bit too dark for me, so I went in with a really light hand. I probably won't use it very often just because it is kind of dark and I have to be so careful. The highlights are really pretty though. This isn't a bad palette, and this retails, I think it said $30, so that's a pretty good deal also. One of the cutest things that came in the box was this pretty Vulgar eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner, and look at the container. It looks like a cute little inky thing that you stick a quill in and you use. I don't use eyeliner very often because I'm not very good at it. When I first tried this, I didn't like it that much. I felt like it wasn't as black as I wanted it to be, but when I dug in a little bit more, I liked it. It became really creamy. I did my best for a wing. This eye, it turned out okay. This eye was a nightmare. I had to cover it up with concealer so many times. It's not the eyeliner's fault. The eyeliner is pretty good. And this is something that I'm going to keep out on my vanity just because it's so cute. And this retails for $24. I think you can get it from Sephora. This box also came with a small brush set and 1 large face brush. I used this angled brush to do the eyeliner. It was a little bit too thick, I think, which made it a little bit harder to do the winged liner. It's not a bad brush though. I think I'd rather use it for my brows than eyeliner. And then it also comes with a spoolie and this precision brush. This retails for $45. I don't know a lot about the brand Aesthetica, but I mean, that seems kind of steep for these brushes. They aren't bad though, but I definitely think you can find some for cheaper, but I'm not going to complain because like I said, I only paid $22 for the whole box. And then it came with this face brush, which I used to do the contouring, which was a little rough just because it's really flimsy, but it is very soft and I like it. And this retails for $27 for this one brush. And then the last thing in the box was this lip gloss from Han, which I've never heard of, but supposedly it's all natural. When I watched Kathleen's video, she said that it dried down really matte and was transfer proof. I wore it yesterday. I'm also wearing it today. But for me, it hasn't really dried down. And it's not transfer proof, which it is just a gloss. So I don't know if she got something different in her box. I was pretty sure it was the same. It's a pretty color though. I do like the color. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the June box, which had a lot of exciting stuff also. So first we're going to talk about this eyeshadow palette by Alamar Cosmetics. I've never heard of this. The whole theme was like a summer, like Rio kind of feel. The colors in this palette are beautiful. I am wearing them today on my eyes. I have Coco Taxi, Guantanamara, and El Malecon. The shimmers are absolutely beautiful and so pigmented. Sorry, I got some mascara that transferred. And the mattes are so smooth and so easy to work with. This eye is a bad example because I was very bad with this eye. But the eyeshadows they're beautiful. And I can't wait to play with it more. Like this blue color, Varadero, is unbelievable. Look at that. Yes. This is a really nice palette, and it retails for, how much was it? Retails for $28. Also, in this month's box came with my favorite lotion, the Rio de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This one is so cute. It's so small. It retails for $10. I do have a full size of it, which is $45. This stuff smells incredible. It leaves your skin so soft with a very slight shimmer. It's beautiful, and it's perfect for summer. This is my favorite lotion to use throughout the year, and especially in summer. It smells so good. Just trust me. It smells so good. I always get complimented when I put it on. So also in this box, we have some Luxie brushes. It came with a duo fiber powder brush, a tapered highlighter brush, and a precision foundation brush. I used these two today. They're very similar. I don't remember which I used. I used a precision foundation brush to powder under my eyes, and then I used the tapered highlighter brush to do the highlighter. These are very nice brushes. This is a little bit too big for my liking to do highlighter. I also used this one to do my blush. Now, my least favorite thing in this box was this eyeliner. It's by a brand called Jonteblu, which I've never heard. It's in the shade Charcoal, and it's like a real pencil eyeliner. I don't like the pencil ones. I mean, to me, they just look like they hurt. It's definitely not black. It's definitely a charcoal color. Wow, look at that swatch. Good job, Mare. I don't see myself using this very often. I just don't like eyeliners like this, and this retails for $5. Oh, and the Luxie brushes retail for $42. Also in this box was this Ofra long-lasting matte liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. I just put it on. I do like it. It's not my favorite color because it's kind of just like a deep tan / light brown color, which isn't exactly my speed, but it's wearable, so that's something. And yeah, I do like it, and it retails for $21. This is actually my first Ofra product. Now, unfortunately, the last thing in the box was a set of lashes by Battington. They were called the Monroe Silk Lashes, and they retail for $28. Here's a picture. I, honest to goodness, cannot find them anywhere. I do not know what I did with them. I dug through my trash. I could not find them. Can't find them in my room. Hopefully, I will locate them because they are like worth $28. I don't wear a lot of falsies, but I mean, they're nice to have in case I wanted to. And I would have worn them in this video, but I can't find them. Yeah, so, oops. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am very excited to continue to get these boxes and do videos on them. So, like this video and subscribe, please. Have a good day. Bye.